welcome to Prudent News. First, a look at the headlines. Sadye-Siolim PANCH shot at, 2 persons arrested, accused given 10 days police custody, PANCH admitted in GMC, bullet injuries on hand and abdomen. CC hints to some mine owners that it will recommend 10-kilometer buffer zone for Goa. Mine owners say government's move to raise around 800 crore through stamp duty will be a futile exercise. Yet another scam of government scheme. After midday meal scheme, now Anganwadi truck driver arrested red-handed while selling rice. Prudent exclusive report. DFF director claims Goa has no expertise to organize film content for an international film festival on its own. Says let not blame each other after MOU is signed. And the GFDC to organize one-day sports medicine seminar on December 9. Dr. Rufin Mundero invites all coaches, sports administrators and former players to attend the unique seminar. And now the news in detail. 2 persons were arrested by Mapsa police in an assault case of Sadye-Siolim PANCH Amay Harmalkar. He was shot in his hand and abdomen. The assault took place late night on Sunday. Harmalkar is admitted in GMC and his treatment is on. Both the accused have been given 10 days police custody. Personal rivalry is the suspected reason. Meanwhile, police cracked down another murder case at Old Goa and arrested 1 person in this connection. The incident occurred on Sunday night. Sadye-Siolim PANCH Amay Harmalkar was travelling back home. On the way, he got into verbal duel with 4 persons. Speaking exclusively to Prudent, Harmalkar claimed that he was shot by a gun. He received bullets in his hand and abdomen. He is admitted in GMC.
म्हणजे माझी गाडी आडली आणि म्हणजे माझी डायरेक्ट गोळी मारली पोटाने हाती लागली गोळी आणि हॉस्पिटल आणलं.
Mapsa police have arrested Tukaram Khorzuekar and Sachin Korgaonkar in this connection. One is aged 26 years and one 24 years. They are arrested under section 307 of IPC and 35725-27 of the Arms Act. Both are given police remand of 10 days.
At Mapsa police station, we have registered a case of attempt to murder. A gunshot was fired from a weapon on one Mr. Amay Harmalkar. The bullet has been recovered from his body. We have also recovered the cap of the bullet from the scene of offence. The recovery of the weapon is in progress. The accused and the victim, they both know each other very well. And there have been past enmity among themselves, just like abusing and things like that. Enmity on nothing serious as such. Not victim is the present punch.
Meanwhile, police have cracked down a murder case at Old Goa. They have arrested Pandu Dudik in this connection.
Murder in the jurisdiction of Old Goa police station at construction site Korli. Laborers, 7 laborers were camping and they are mostly from Chhattisgarh. So they had couple of drinks. On having drinks, there were arguments. And after the argument, the deceased Chinna Budri, he was assaulted by his own brother-in-law, Pandu, son of Adma Dudi. The deceased died instantly. And thereafter, the contractor filed complaint at Old Goa police station. Deceased sister got married to the accused and they had some problem at their native place over the landed property. And According to the accused earlier, he was beaten up by his in-laws and therefore he had a grudge.
Our reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte, Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. CEC has hinted to some of the mine owners that it will recommend 10 kilometers buffer zone for Goa. Mine owner Harish Melwani told Prudent that government's move to raise around 800 crore through stamp duty will be a futile exercise. He also said that many mine owners will not be comfortable with the government's decision till there is complete clarity on the resumption of mining operations.
Government of Goa has introduced a new exercise to raise the revenue that has been lost due to royalty loss. Some mine owners have raised questions over the government's notification. According to mine owner Harish Melwani, CEC is likely to cut down the extraction of iron ore in the state.
जेन्ना CEC मिटिंगेन आमी गेल्ले तेन्ना आमकां सांगिल्लें की आदले भाशेन मायनिंग आमी चलोवंक दिवचे ना आनी काय तरी कॅप हाडटले फ्रेश एक्सकवेशनचेर. आतां तांच्यांनी हें सुद्दां कळयलें की टोटल EC गोंयाक दिल्या 100 मिलियन टन्साची. आतां तातूंतल्यान ते कितके रिडक्शन करतले कारण की आतां हो स्टॅम्प ड्युटी जो पळय तो लावंक सोदता पळय तो बेस ऑन EC. आतां शेवटीक म्हजी EC जी पळय आतां अंडर रिव्यू आसा. MOFान सांगलां आमी सगळे EC रिव्यू करतले. तातूंतले ते कितके कमी करतले आनी खंय पर्यंत पावयतले. आतां समज म्हजी EC आयज 73,000 टन आसा. ते जर तांच्यांनी कापून 26,000 टन केले जाल्यार हांव 73,000चेर कशें फारीक करूं. पूण हो प्रश्न जे पर्यंत सेटल जायना की म्हजी फायनल EC कितकी ते पर्यंत ताका अर्थूच ना न्ही. फाटली ECचे कॅल्क्युलेशन बेस करप आनी ताजेर अशें इतके रेवेन्यू जातले आनी ताजेर आपूण स्टेट चलयतलो आनी ती म्हाका दिसता सारकें न्ही.
He also informed that CEC will recommend 10-kilometer buffer zone for the state of Goa. Even after paying stamp duty, Goa government would not be able to allow any mine owner to restart mining operations.
की हे इतके स्टॅम्प ड्युटी फारीक करून सुद्दां आमकां गॅरंटी ना कित्याक आमकां ती लीज चलोवंक मेळटली काय ना. कारण की आतां तो MOFाचो सस्पेन्शन जाला ECचो. ताजे उपरांत CEC म्हणटा की ते 10 किलोमिटर बफर झोन आसा. पूण हे सुद्दां स्टॅम्प ड्युटी फारीक केले आनी लीज डीड केले ते 40-50 लाख अफोर्डेबल आसा. कोणूय फारीक करूंक शकता. पूण आतां 10-12 कोटी जर ते स्टॅम्प ड्युटी लायतले आनी ताजे उपरांत सुद्दां म्हाका लीज चलोवंक मेळना जाल्यार कसो कोण फारीक करतलो.
Meanwhile, Mines and Geology Department did not submit data to CEC at Delhi. Chief Secretary Vijayan said that they will submit data after 2 days. Sources from Mines Department confirmed that. Chief Secretary says that they have been given 2 days extension to submit data to CEC. They are hoping that all data will be ready within 2 days.
Our reporter Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Dinesh Karpe.
Yet another scam of the government scheme. After rice scam of midday meal, now scam of rice provided to Anganwadis. A truck driver was arrested red-handed while selling rice to one of the residents of Sakwa. Sources say that the quota was allotted to Anganwadis in Nuwe. Surendra Madkaikar's exclusive report. Have a look at this. The driver of Jai Bholenath Company was found red-handed while selling rice to one of the residents of Sakwa, Digambar Naik. It was revealed that the rice quota was allotted to Anganwadis in Nuwe area. Our correspondent from Vasco realized the situation and informed the Civil Supplies Department.
म्हाका 3 बॅग आउटसाइड घरात सामकार मेळ्ळे.
हय.
आनी भितर जेन्ना बाकीचे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन केले तेन्ना 6 बॅग भितर मेळ्ळे. ते आमी आतां डिटेन केल्ले आसा आनी पुलिसा कडेन हँडओव्हर केल्लो आसा अलॉंग विथ ड्रायव्हर.
ओके.
रोड पासा प्रमाणे ते सबला स्किनीचो तांदूळ तो मिंट फॉर हाजो वुमन अँड चायल्ड डेव्हलपमेंटाचो.
खंयसर गेल्लो तो खंयच्या हेका बीन
तो सालसेत तालुक्यान नुव्या वतालो.
वचून ताणें थंयसर व्हरतालो तो काय वचून येयल्लो
खाली करून येताली ती गाडी.
Civil Supplies Inspector reached at the site and took the stock of the situation. The driver was handed over to Verna Police. Our correspondent was travelling from Vasco to Panchi. That is the time he saw some people moving with these rice bags and a huge truck parked aside. He had a challan saying that he was carrying 270 bags. He also had a counter slip that he had supplied 269 bags to some organizations. But question is, if the organization got the rice quota, then how these bags were transported to Digambar Naik's residence? Our reporter from Sakwa, Surendra Madkekar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.